Hi, how are you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we're going to see three methods in an array, right? We'll see push method in JavaScript, then we'll see pop method in JavaScript, and then we're going to see join method in JavaScript, right? Basically, what are these three methods, right? So for push method, it is used to insert a new entry in an array. While if you talk about the pop method, so it is used to remove an element in an array. And if we'll talk about the join method, so basically it is used to convert array to a string, right? We'll see each in detail with the terminal. In the terminal, we'll also see these console log statements. So let's get started with the first topic, that is the push method in array, right? So let's say I have an array and the elements are like computer, laptop, speaker and charger, right? If we'll print this original array, I will first open my terminal also, right? So that I can show you the output. So the name of the file is array.js. I'm going to run this file in the terminal, node array.js. Then I'll hit the enter button from my keyboard. And here you can see that I'm getting all the console log statements. So the first console log statement is this original array, right? I'm printing this original array. So you can see that this is printed as it is: computer, laptop, speaker and charger. Now I will use push method. So I will write array dot push, and then this hard disk I need to add in this array list, right? I want that this array should be having computer, laptop, speaker, charger, right? So when I'll write array dot push, this within bracket this hard disk, and then after that when I'll console log this array, so I'll get the added element in my array. As here I'm highlighting it in the terminal as well, right? So now my hard disk is added. Now let's say I want to remove this element from an array, so I'll be using this pop method. So I write array.pop. My current array is this one is now, which I'm highlighting you on the screen, right? And then if I'll write array.pop over here, so this will going to remove this hard disk from here, right? And it would going to return this array only, right? Array after pop. So I'll have computer, laptop, speaker and charger. Remember that this will going to remove the last element, right? Whenever you are using pop, so that will going to remove the last element, this element, right? So hard disk will be removed from the previous array. Now if I want to convert this array to a string, first of all I will console log this array, and here you can see that it is coming in the array form, right? Computer, laptop, speaker and charger. Now I want to basically convert this into a string. So I will use the join method. So I'll write array.join, and here you can see that in the terminal I'll get this string in the string format. You can see computer, comma laptop, comma speaker, comma charger. Now I want that there should be no comma over here, right? So I will, after the join within the brackets, I will do like this, right? So basically this will give the string without space. So in the terminal you can see that over here computer, laptop, speaker and charger, right? So in between them there is no space, right? And let's say if we want some space, so basically what I'll do here is, here in this only I'll give the space as here in this 33, line number 33. You can see this line number 33. So here you can see that I have the space over here, right? After array.join within the brackets there is this space like this. So here you can see that in the terminal after join with space, so we'll get the result like this: computer space laptop space speaker space charger, right? And you can also introduce a separator like this one also, right? This separator. So you will just, instead of this space over here, you can use this separator as well. So in your results in the terminal you can get your string like this: computer, laptop, speaker, with this as the separator, right? Now I hope guys that you have liked this video, and guys if you are new on this channel, so kindly please subscribe it so that you can get the latest update from this channel, and also you can able to watch more videos like this. So thank you. That's all for this video, and I'll hope to meet you soon in the next video. Thanks for now.